Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am Srishti Banatti. So today's video is going to be about unboxing James Charles Morphe palette, the viral palette. I had my eyes on that palette since last 2-3 months because I wanted something with more colors so that I can play around. I had few palettes like Revolution palette and the mini one, like the 4 shades one from Elf Cosmetics, and I thought I want to play around with makeup, so let's order something with more variation of colors. And when I went on Google, so I got recommendation from Beautiful that they have James Charles palette, and then I checked in the Khargar shop, but it was not available there, so they recommended me to order it from the website itself, and I ordered that palette, and surprisingly they got me delivered in just 2 days. So let's get started. Please don't attack me with comments like you have already unpacked, so why are you making this video? I couldn't wait. Like, I had my eyes on this palette from so long, so I was so excited I couldn't wait. So this is how it looks. It's James Charles signature and it's Morphe written, and it's his like classic introduction. Like, if you have seen James Charles video, he used to have this in introduction part, but now I think he has changed his introduction. Like, I'm not fan of James Charles, but for makeup I watch his videos sometimes. And this is the palette. It is matte finished with signature of Morphe and James Charles. This is how this palette looks like. I think there are 36 pans. So this is the most beautiful palette I've ever seen. If you have this palette, or if you own this palette, I think you don't need any other palette, because this palette contains all the colors. Like, you can see this from light shades to the dark shades. It has pink, purples, blues, greens, and warm shades to brown, red, yellows, gold, shimmer, soft pink, like every shade. I was so happy when this palette arrived. It has this one plastic which has name of the shades. I couldn't hold myself together because when I was small, I used to love makeup. I used to do makeup on my mom's face all the time. And one time I got to see this Oriflame catalog, and they had this red color palette which consisted of different colors of eyeshadow and blush and lip shades. So it was like whole face package, like a makeup kit. And I still remember I literally was fighting for that palette with my mom, that I need this palette, I want this palette, I can do anything for this palette. And I was very stubborn, I'm still. So she ordered it for me, and I was so happy when it came, and I'm still happy that I have this palette at last. I am not kind of person, if I want something, I don't order it the same day. I think about it like 500 times. Do I need this? Should I order this? When I fell in love with that product, that is the only moment I decide to order it. And after that, I wait for some sale, or I wait for, like, when I have enough money. I used to save money to order that product. And I still remember when I bought my first skincare. It was during lockdown, and I was doing this online like internship, and I got my first earning. That was like 5,000 only, and I spent all of it on my skincare. I bought I bought toner. I had moisturizer already, and face wash and all of that. Whenever I order something like from Nykaa or from anywhere, I love unpacking. I usually do my unpacking either alone or with my mom. So I still remember when I used to go shopping with my mom and dad. I used to love shopping. I literally every Sunday my dad used to sleep on his bed and I used to go and wake up from his sleep and I used to tell him कि पापा लेके चलो मुझे मॉल जाना है शॉपिंग करनी है एंड वो बेचारे उठते थे हम सबको लेके जाते थे मॉल आफ्टर a whole shopping thing when he used to come back I used to wear every cloth that I bought and do a mini fashion show in front of my parents. I can't explain it in words. That's how much I love unboxing things. If I'm unpacking anything with you, that is my love language. And also I'm getting these comments of fan saaf kar do, wall theek kar do, wall paint kar do. So basically right now I'm staying at a rented place. My actual house is renovating right now and it is about to finish and I will get back to my house in like 15-20 days and then I will be having a nice lighting also, nice background, probably new background. I'm waiting from so long and trust me that I hate this rented place. I'm literally counting my days. That's it for today and I hope you enjoyed this video. So I don't usually like chit chat this much but I'm introvert so somehow I got some energy and I decided to make this video, so here we are with this video. If you like this video please comment if you have any suggestions and let me know if you want me to make any makeup video with this Charles palette. Bye.